Hey everyone, I'm the Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W10A for Minecraft. This snapshot added a brand new biome, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. This snapshot added the brand new Lush Caves biome. These lush caves have moss, which covers the floors and ceilings, spore blossoms growing from the sides, small clay pools with drip leaf plants, azalea bushes and flowering azalea bushes, and glowberries which illuminate the caves. This biome is found under azalea trees, which look like this, and can generate on the surface or in caves. So when you find one, be sure to dig straight down, because there is a lush cave right under your feet. Currently, this biome does not naturally generate. However, by creating a world that is single biome and selecting lush caves from the biome list, you can play around in these new caves. And ores like copper, coal, emerald, and iron have been changed in this snapshot. Also, copper, emerald, and coal ores come in Deep Slate versions now, but they do not naturally spawn in-game. Deep Slate now has new variants called Cracked Deep Slate Bricks and Cracked Deep Slate Tiles, and there's also an infested variant of Deep Slate found underground. Ore distribution has yet again been tweaked in this snapshot. You can see the new chart on the left and the old chart on the right. Now, emeralds spawn more in mountains, lapis spawns more often, there is less gold, copper, and redstone ores in the world, diamonds spawn a little less often, and iron generates lower down in the ground and less often than before. Minecraft is also now rendered with an OpenGL core profile, meaning that all fixed function rendering has been replaced with shader-based rendering. Because of this change, computers that cannot run OpenGL Core 3.2 may not be able to run Minecraft Snapshot 21W10A, but all computers that do meet the minimum system requirements for rendering this pipeline should not be affected by this change. With this new rendering capability, shaders from in-game can actually be edited now with resource packs. For instance, this Mojang dev created this pack which makes leaves appear as though they are swaying in the wind. This pack is quite laggy, however, if you'd like to try out this pack, the link to the download will be in the description below. Slimes now have a maximum size of 128, whereas in previous versions, there was no cap to their size limit, meaning that these things could get a little too big. The give command also now has a maximum item count of 100 stacks of items at a time, so you can only give yourself 6400 stone or 100 iron swords. There was also a technical bug in the previous snapshot, as if you placed a sign from your offhand, the sign UI would be closed immediately and you would have a blank sign. But this snapshot has fixed this issue. Stone lapis ore generated in Deep Slate in previous versions, but this snapshot has again fixed this bug, so now it should be the Deep Slate version. There were numerous bugs in the previous snapshot that were fixed this week. Normal ink sacs and glow ink sacs were not grouped together in the creative inventory. Deep Slate tile walls came before Deep Slate brick walls, even though Deep Slate bricks came before Deep Slate tiles in the creative inventory. That was a mouthful to say. And FOV decreases when underwater, despite a player's FOV effects in the accessibility tab of the game. However, all of these bugs have been fixed this week. And that is all for this snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. If you'd like to read the full snapshot page, then the link for the article will be in the description below. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to explore these new lush caves with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching, I'm the Terrain, peace out.